Now, if you ever have a Hightone 10 or you have another saw and you run into the problem with you start it cutting and then the handle turns while you're cutting and your crossfeed goes, I want to show you how to fix that problem. So here you can look on this Hightone 10. This is the crossfeed handle, and notice it's really loose in here. Say you start your handle here and you're cutting, your handle ends up down there, and that's not so good. So I'm going to show you a real simple technique on a Hightone 10 on how to solve that problem. What you're going to do is you're going to take your little handy dandy T-handle, loosen that up, and then I'm going to take a screwdriver in here and I'm going to pry and I'm going to tighten this up. So all I'm doing is I'm putting friction because these two bolts are holding that, and now I don't have enough friction there, so I'm going to get some more friction. So I may need to actually loosen the inside up. So what I think I'll do, I'll loosen this one in, come on over a little bit. So I'm going to move my crossfeed in a little bit more. And going to tighten this inside one up. There's flats on these, so I'm going to get that flat to that shaft. What I want to do is I want to move this over a little bit. So this is a lock collar in there. See how lock collar goes on that flat. I want to just bump this over so it's a little bit closer to that side. And tighten it up. So we're going to get some friction there. I'm kind of putting some force on that. And there we go. And you'll notice it's snug now. It's perfect. What I did is I just put some friction on there, get that lock collar to move a little bit over, and now this is going to stay and keep its position. Easy to adjust it. Typically you just loosen that outside of the collar, tighten it up, and you're good to go. If you like videos, just little tips like this, go to hplapidary.com and go up on the top of the menu bar. You'll see it says Video Library. In there you're going to find tips for all kinds of stuff. There's hundreds of videos in there that'll help you solve a lot of your problems, save you some money, save you some hassle. Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.